We've all heard about painting on a canvas or making a sculpture out of clay. But how about creating art using fresh vegetables and herbs? I'm headed over to Seattle to create a rainbow of pasta with Linda Miller Nicholson and learn about her career as a pasta artist.
I have been making pasta my entire life. Several years ago, my son went through a picky phase, so I thought, why not take something that I already have a big skill set built up and just add the vegetables to that in a fun and whimsical way. It just turns out that you can make a plethora of all of these beautiful things from vegetables, herbs, and superfoods. I mean, if you look to the earth for color, which is where I look to first, it's amazing what you actually will find.
Natural palette.
Yes, exactly. People are always like, blue? How is blue natural?
Yes.
Well, it comes from these flowers called the butterfly pea flowers.
Okay.
So I'm really excited today that we're going to be able to work with maybe some collards that comes from a farm that is literally just down the road. So essentially the color of the green that you see here is the color of the resulting pasta dough. So we're going to do the magic part here, which is just to puree the collards with the eggs in the blender.
It smells so good.
Doesn't it?
You can really smell the
You can smell
collards.
the health.
Oh, that feels
Good.
really
Doesn't it feel
good.
nice and soft?
Yes.
There's something very therapeutic about it.
Working out your feelings, your aggressions. It's like really fresh Play-Doh.
It's like being a little kid again, but with the consciousness of being a grown-up too.
Absolutely. Along with our collard green dough, we're also using some yellow turmeric dough to create beautiful stripes. First, we sheet and laminate the pasta, and then Linda cuts the green dough into strips and lays them on top of the yellow dough.
So I'm gonna feed this into the pasta machine here, and then you're gonna kind of help me catch it out the other side, okay?
So now where can people find you and learn more about you or take your classes?
I am probably the most active on Instagram just because it's easiest. It's such a visual medium, you know, but I do have some tutorials on YouTube, and then in terms of actually learning how to make all of this pasta, I have a book called Pasta Pretty Please that's just out, 6 months ago. And now we're gonna nest an egg yolk right in the center of this. So I'm just kind of piping this high enough that when I put the egg yolk in there, it stays in its little nest.
Wow.
We're gonna close and seal this full one.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna cut this one as a circle.
All right.
The egg almost becomes the sauce. I like to serve it in a little bit of a brown butter sage sauce.
Sounds
but the
good.
egg kind of oozes out in this golden river of deliciousness.
Wow, that's delicious. Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely.